Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Redmi Note 13R and let me share with you how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find the display and brightness. Now let's scroll down and find reading mode. So as you can see, this is the name of the eye comfort mode in this device, and turn it on just by tapping on the switcher. Now we can choose between two modes, the cycle one, which is more automatic, and the classic, in which you can manually change everything. So let's tap on the classic, and you can see that the screen turns a little bit yellowish or amber. It is basically in order to filter the blue light. It will be also much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light, so if you're a night owl, then I highly recommend to use this mode. So now we can simply tap on this arrow here to customize the classic mode, and here we've got the color temperature switcher. So by going to the left we can make it cooler, and by going to the right warmer. You can also see how it will affect the regular colors. What is more, we've got this texture option, and basically by going to the right you can apply it and make it sharper, and by going to the left turn it off completely. Basically the texture applies the paper-like texture to the background. I'm not sure if you can see it or not. You can also change the colors. So the full colors, obviously they are vibrant. You can set light colors, which are a little bit washed out and dull, and the black and white, so you can display everything in a monochromatic way. So it's totally up to you, and you can restore defaults. So this is how it works, and yes, that's everything. What is more, we've got the schedule option, so let's simply tap on the switcher to turn it on, and we've got two different options. So custom period, we can freely choose the start and the end time just by swiping, and of course your device will apply the reading mode accordingly. Or we can set good night's read, which means that your device will automatically decide when the sunsets and sunrises are. It is location based, and it will apply the reading mode. So this is how it works, and of course you can have much faster access to this option. Simply unroll the top bar, and here we have to find the specific icon. Unfortunately we do not have the name of the icon, so let's tap on edit. You can find it, and the eye comfort mode is not here, so it's not in this, let's say, default section, so we have to find it in the system toggles, and the reading mode is right here. So let's simply tap on this plus icon. It will appear in this section, and let's confirm it. And now basically you can turn it on just by tapping on this toggle, and turn it off just by tapping on it again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.